different types of farm animals. Chicken. Think chickens are simple. Think again. Chickens can recognize over 100 faces, including humans and other animals. They have strong social hierarchies, often called the pecking order. Chickens can also dream while they sleep, just like humans do. They communicate using over 30 different vocal sounds. Mother hens even talk to their chicks before they hatch. They're smarter than most people think and can solve simple problems. Fun fact, chickens can feel emotions like fear and excitement. Small bird, big-brained chicken is full of surprises.
Snuggle fact!